it's Leslie. Welcome back to my cross stitch channel. Today is a haul video. I'm going to be showing you 5 cross stitch kits that I bought on 2 different places. I bought them on 123Stitch.com and I bought them on eBay. As I told you in my video about my plans for 2023, this year is going to be a year where I buy a lot of kits from eBay because I'm interested in kits that are not being sold or produced anymore. Rare kits that are maybe made like 20 years ago, maybe even 30 years ago. So I'm interested in buying those kind of kits and starting cross-stitching them. But I'm gonna be starting with the kits from 123Stitch.com, and the first kit is a kit by Design Works, colorful giraffes. Now, those who know me, those who follow me, know that I like to cross stitch with bright, colorful colors. I don't like plain black and white and beige colors. I want bright, fun rainbow colors. And if this was a kit with giraffes that only had like their plain colors, their natural colors, I would not have bought it. But because it has so many different colors here, this really attracted my attention and I really wanted to buy it. There's almost no backstitching here, just a little bit backstitching on the faces here. I can show you a little bit closer if you want to see. The backstitching is a little bit here and a bit here, but mostly it's just cross stitching with full crosses. This is 10 by 12 inches, 14 count A of fabric, white color fabric, and I'll show you on the back. You can see the beautiful bright colors on this organizer with a needle here and the fabric, the instructions of course. Gorgeous. Next kit is also from 123Stitch.com. This is a kit by Letty Stitch. Now this is going to be challenging. Let me show you a little bit closer. I mean, look at the detailing, the beautiful coral reef here, the beautiful colorful fish and turtles, and the shipwreck here, and then you have the pyramids, and you have the skull and bones, and the dolphins, and the waterfalls, and the birds. I mean, there's so much happening here. It's going to be very, very challenging. But someday I'm going to start cross-stitching it, and maybe not today, but someday. Let's continue looking here. It's cross-stitch with full cross-stitch. It has French knots, and it has backstitching. This is Zweigart Ada fabric, 16 count, and this has anchor floss, 79 colors. It's pretty challenging. The skill level for this is 4 hearts, but I would probably say it's more like 5 hearts because this is this is a lot of work. This is 18.8 by 12.5 inches or 48 by 32 centimeters. I don't understand the measuring system in inches. I always do centimeters. And this is a black and white chart with maybe some color and a needle. And on the back here, you can see, I'm not going to open it because I have like a rule that I live by. I don't open cross stitch kits unless I'm going to cross stitch them. So maybe someday I'm going to sell it, so I don't want to open it. But you can see the colors here, and it's very thick. You can see how big it is. Beautiful. Next kits, the 3 kits that I'm going to show you, they are from eBay. And the first one, this is a kit by Dimensions. These beautiful African ladies that are wearing very beautiful, colorful clothing and jewelry. I love them. I think they're gorgeous. This has a lot of backstitching. I can see. I think there's metallic threads on or metallic fabric floss on the jewelry. This is This kit was made in 2002 by Dimensions. And I think that this kit was made in USA. It was not made in China, because if you look at the back, you can see that usually if it's made in China, I think they have a special organizer, and this one has just, I don't know, just all the, without the organizer. So I'm guessing that all of this was produced in USA. This is 12 by 11 inches or 30 by 28 centimeters. I think this is gonna look gorgeous. And this is what I want. I want old kits. I want kits that were made and produced in USA. I want the original stuff. Next kit, this is by Sunset. But Sunset is probably the same as Dimensions, if I understand correctly. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that Sunset is just a branch from Dimensions. These are teddy bears on a shelf, and this is called Animal Shelf. The colors are not so bright, but I'll still like them. Has a lot of backstitching here as well. Maybe not as much, but still, it's present. And this was made in 2000 by Dimensions. 11 by 30 inches, 22 by 33 centimeters. Beautiful kit. And I think this also was made in USA, if I'm not mistaken. This is 14 count Aida fabric. Ivory beige color with beautiful colors. And the last kit. This kit is one of my favorites. This is by Bacilla. Counter cross stitch, and this is a barn. And let me show you closer here. This was made in 1994 by Bacilla. Busy barn. You can see it here. There's bright colors, a lot of back stitching, different animals. Oh, yes, it's a busy barn. Let me show you on the other side here. You can see here it's a wooden you can see here like a wooden house or barn that you can paint in any color, but I think I'm gonna stick to the red color. I like the red color. And this is 18 count Aida fabric here, and beautiful colors here. I know that Bacilla has other kits in this kind of series where you have a house. Bacilla has a doll house with exactly the same tree house like this that you can also paint. But I didn't really like the colors there, so I chose to buy the barn instead of the doll house. This is 9 by 12 inches. Well, let me know in the comment section what kind of cross-stitch kit you like the most. What do you think? Are the kits, the old kits that are rare now, that are not produced anymore, do you think that they're better than the newer ones? Let me know. And subscribe if you haven't already done that. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And there's a lot more videos to come. So stay tuned and have a great day. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.